there, for today's read aloud, we will be reading Dolphins. So take a moment and make a prediction. Go ahead and use what you already know about dolphins, the cover, and the title to make a good prediction. All right, a few more times, just pause the video. Let's go ahead and go over author's purpose and then list the different text features we've gone over so far. So author's purpose, the purpose for the author writing the story. We have persuade, when the author is trying to get you to do or try something. We have inform, when the author is trying to teach you some new information about a topic or give you facts about a topic. Then we have entertain, the author's hoping you'll enjoy the story they wrote, make you laugh perhaps. Okay, so that's author's purpose. Every story you read has a purpose. Now, the text features we've gone over are table of contents, heading, bold print, caption, labels, diagram, diagram with labels, they go together, and photograph and illustration. So make sure you look out for those different text features as we read the story, Dolphins. Let's go ahead and begin. Table of contents. Remember, this is a text feature. It lets us know the different information we'll be reading about and what page number it'll be on. Introduction, Dolphins Are Mammals, all about dolphins, Dolphins and Sound, Dolphin Groups, conclusion, then glossary. Let's go ahead and begin. Introduction, dolphins live in every ocean in the world. Some even live in rivers. So, photograph is a text feature. Heading, right here, photograph with a sentence underneath explaining. That's caption. This kind of dolphin lives in a muddy river. Over time, its eyes have become weak because it can't see through the mud. Give me a thumbs up if you learned something new just from this page. Me too. Dolphins are mammals. If you'd like, to yourself, you can, if the different text feature you notice, maybe you can list them out loud to yourself. So, dolphins are mammals. What is that? That's a heading. Here's a photograph with a sentence explaining it. That's a caption right here. This word that's a little bit darker than the rest. That is bold print. So I might not point out every single one, but to yourself you can name them to help yourself remember them a little better. Dolphins are mammals. Dolphins are mammals. They can keep their body warm. Dolphin mothers make milk for babies. They do not lay eggs. Instead, their babies are born live. Dolphins breathe in air through a hole on their head. Most of the time, dolphins breathe a few times a minute. They can hold their breath for more than a minute when they need to. The hole dolphins use to breathe is called a blowhole. So right there. So here's a photo with a sentence explaining. It's called a caption. All about dolphins. That's a heading. It's letting us know this page is going to be all about dolphins. Dolphins are different sizes. They can be big or small. So here's some different types of dolphins. Some dolphins only have 4 teeth. Others have more than 200 teeth. That's very interesting. Dolphins do not use their teeth to chew. They use their teeth to grab food. Then they eat it whole. Very interesting. So they use their teeth to grab the food and then they eat it whole. Dolphins sometimes scratch each other's skin with their teeth. This is called raking. Dolphins move their tail up and down to swim. A fin on their back keeps them steady. A flipper on each side helps them steer. So right here, this is a bold print, photograph with a caption. Each side of a dolphin's tail is called a fluke. Here is a diagram with label. So diagram is the picture with labels. Parts of a dolphin: blowhole, mouth, flippers, fin, flukes. Dolphins and sound. Dolphins are smart. Dolphins use sound to talk to other dolphins. Dolphins also use sound to find food. That's very interesting. Dolphins use clicks, whistles, and squeaks to talk to each other. Scientists think each dolphin also has its own sound. Some ways that dolphins hunt. A group of dolphins often uses a bait ball to hunt. A school of fish forms a tight ball. Some dolphins swim around the ball to keep fish from swimming away. Others stay below to keep watch. Dolphins take turns swimming into the ball to feed. When a dolphin hunts, first it makes clicking sounds. Next, it listens and waits for echoes to bounce off of a fish or squid. Then the dolphins can attack. Dolphins swim around a bait ball. So here's a photo of that. Dolphin Groups. So what's this page going to be about? Dolphin Groups. Dolphins live in groups called pods. They live in pods to find food and keep each other safe. So here's a photograph with a caption. Remember the caption? The sentence lets us know what's happening in the photograph. So, dolphins are playful animals. They blow rings of bubbles and even play catch with pieces of seaweed. So right here they're playing. Dolphins move from pod to pod. Sometimes they change pods more than once a day. Interesting. Most pods have as many as 12 dolphins. How many dolphins? 12. Mothers form pods with other mothers to protect their babies. Even after they leave, young dolphins may return to swim with their mother. Some female dolphins even return to raise their babies with their own mother. Young dolphins stay with their mother for as many as 6 years. Give me a thumbs up if you learned something new from just this page. Me too, and there are so many interesting facts that we're learning. Conclusion. There are many different kinds of dolphins. They all use sound to talk and find food. Most dolphins form close groups. Dolphins are amazing animals. I'm going to give you a moment to take a look at each photograph. Each one of these photographs has a different type of dolphin. All right, this dolphin is called Hector's dolphin. And in this photograph, this dolphin is called white-beaked dolphin. This one is bottlenose dolphin. And this one's Indo-Pacific dolphin. All right, let's keep going. So right here is a glossary which we are going to keep learning about. I know this is a little bit more of a tricky text feature, but we'll keep working on this one. Let's go ahead and go back to the beginning of the book and talk about the different text features we notice and get ready to talk about author's purpose. All right, give me a thumbs up if you notice one of these text features I'm about to name. Table of contents. Yep. Heading. We saw several different headings. Bold print. Yeah. What about captions? There were a lot of captions throughout this story. Did you see a diagram with labels? Did you see photographs? Let's go ahead and look at an example of each one, and then we'll get to author's purpose. All right, what text feature is this? Say it out loud. Table of contents. What about this one right here? This is heading. And this one? It's a photograph, and it's also not just a photograph, but a caption. Captions whenever you have an image with a sentence or a couple of words explaining what's happening in the picture. Okay, another caption. What is this? Heading. This is what? Bold print. Okay. All right, what is this an example of? A diagram with labels. Here's the picture with the labels. The labels are naming the different parts of the dolphin. This is a bold print, and this is photograph with a caption. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the story Dolphins. Go ahead and take a moment and think of whether or not this story was meant to persuade you. Was the story, was the author trying to get you to do or try something? Was the story meant to inform you, to teach you new information and give you facts about a topic? Or was the story to entertain you, hoping you'd laugh and enjoy the story? And was it funny? All right, on the next slide, you'll get the opportunity to talk about what you think the story was. Persuade, inform, or entertain. All right, I hope you enjoyed the story today.